Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to my previous year question discussion videos of 2023 of University of Calcutta. Okay, so the next question is, what is MTOC? The full form of MTOC is Microtubule Organizing Center. Okay, so prior discussing about microtubule organizing center, let's focus about microtubule. What is microtubule? All of we know about cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is an intercellular network of protein filaments present in the cytoplasm. And these cytoskeletal fibers are of three types: microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules. All these fibers are polymers built from small protein subunits held together by non-covalent bonds. So, on defining microtubules, these microtubules are hollow cylindrical structure present in all eukaryotic cells and play crucial role in the determination of cell shape, in the organization of the cell's cytoplasm, and in many forms of cellular motility. Microtubules in cells are usually organized at the MTOC. Now, this is the point, the relation between MTOC and microtubule. In interphase means prior mitosis and meiosis, interphase. Okay, in interphase it is typically located to one side of the nucleus, close to the outer surface of the nuclear envelope. And in animal cells, microtubule organizing center contain a pair of centrioles and known as a centrosome. The minus ends are embedded at the MTOC and the plus ends are away from it. If you want to know what is minus end and plus end, please see my previous discussion note about kinetochore. The minus end and plus end, what is minus end and what is plus end, it's clearly discussed there along with a diagram. Okay, one of the known proteins of the microtubule organizing center is a form of tubulin called gamma tubulin, which does not form microtubules itself and does not become incorporated into microtubules, but does appear to function in the nucleation of microtubule formation. These are responsible for organizing cilia and flagella and for forming the spindle apparatus that separates chromosome during cell division. So, in a nutshell, MTOC function, functions of MTOC. Number 1, microtubule organization. MTOCs organize microtubules into networks, cilia and flagella. Second point, cell division. MTOCs organize the mitotic and meiotic spindle apparatus which separates chromosome during cell division. Number 3, immune response. MTOCs play a role in the regulation of immune cells and targeted cytotoxicity. Next function, actin organization. MTOCs play a role in actin organization, and the fifth function is centriole duplication. MTOCs in animal cell, centrosome is the main MTOC in animal cells. It's a non-membrane bound organelles made up of two centrioles surrounded by pericentriolar material. And the MTOCs in the cells of higher plants, do not contain centrioles, but they still function as microtubule organizing center. So it's all about meiosis. Stay connected for my next session of previous year question discussion series 2023.